SKIDOS, edifying games.
Hi there. Let's learn about bundles of 100. A bundle of 10 is 10 similar things tied together to make a bundle. This is a bundle of 10 pencils. Bundles of 10 tens are needed to make a bundle of 100. Using the bundles of tens, we can quickly count to 100. Moyo will now count the following bundles of sticks. 1 10 is equal to 10, 2 tens is equal to 20, 3 tens is equal to 30, 4 tens is 40, 5 tens is 50, 6 tens is 60, 7 tens is 70, 8 tens is 80, 9 tens is 90, 10 tens is 100. Moyo has 100 sticks. If this is one bundle of 100 candles, then 2 bundles of 100 will be 200 candles. And 3 bundles of 100 will be 300 candles.